How to make all images same size in Google Docs. Everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So I have two images over here, but both of them are of different size. In order to make it same size, unfortunately there is no such option where you can make both of these images of same size automatically, but you have to do it individually. So click on the image. After that, go to image options, go to size and rotation, and make this size like this. And again, go to its size in other image, and just like this, both of these images will be in same size. So yeah, that's how you do it. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.